Do you guys have a problem with the misfiring cylinder on a petrol engine of a Mercedes-Benz? Usually cylinder number 1 or cylinder number 4. You have changed the coils, you have changed the spark plugs, you have changed the cables, but it still misfires. So your problem is with the computer of the engine. This is located here on a Mercedes S320. You need to take the cover off, and this here, it's actually the computer. You will have to take the plugs, the connectors off, remove the whole thing, and I'll show you what needs to be done. So this is the computer unit. It's a Bosch. Next you need to do is remove the 4 bolts from here to be able to open this, and you might want to remove also 6-8 bolts underneath, so you can remove the other cover as well. And what needs to be done: first you will need to check if you have a leaking capacitor, which is this and this. If you have a leaking capacitor, you will see a liquid under the capacitor or above it. Make sure you replace that if you see something like this. If they're both okay, like mine here, you will need to turn this on to the other side, and you will need to resolder carefully all this area here. You will need to resolder every single soldering point. It's a little tricky, but if you pay attention and you go slow, you should be able to do the job correctly. After you do that, you install it back onto the car and everything should work fine. Thank you for watching this video.